We got some terrified pigeons here. Set them up with this booby trap. Got the pigeon food set. I'm the booby trap. It's gonna work flawlessly. It might take 2 or 3 hours. But we're eating pigeon tonight. I mean, we're feeding pigeons tonight. We got all these big males running around. Going, yeah, we don't need your food. We got chicks, man. Chicks. We got all this food. And it's all right here in front of me. We gotta take her. Especially with me talking, moving around here. I'm on the ground like a bobcat. Just to get you these fine horizontal shots. Probably one of the best filmmakers that's never been awarded an Oscar for this beautiful pigeon footage. But I'm okay with that. Very humble. And give me my Oscar. Sorry for my horrible comedy. Oh, look at this guy right there. That's our featherneck. Mr. Shiver Me Timbers. He was actually shaking. His mom's walking him around here. Yeah, you got all this pigeon food here. What are you going to do with it? It's all the good stuff right here. They're also terrified because I'm moving around just a little tiny bit. Looking at all these beautiful pigeons. Just trying to bring them in. Set the stage. Where's Mr. Shaky? Oh, he's in the back. Looks like Goose Wayne over there. Yeah, that's right. Mr. Goose himself. Alright guys, I don't have all day. Nobody does. You gonna get up here? It's all good stuff. Yeah, I'm not eating pigeon tonight. Don't worry about it. I'm making some euros tonight. Yeah, the camera's gonna move just a little bit because you guys are all herded over here like a little pack of elephants. Yeah, there's some food here, but it's all right there. Not over there. Right there. Where at? Yeah, right there. He knows. Tell your buddies. I'm about ready to get up, guys. You got me on 3 minutes of this. This is BS. I want to speak to your manager. Alright. We're getting somewhere. Almost got 3 of you in here. Alright, some quiet time now. Yeah, you know what I did there? I moved the camera maybe 1.5 millimeters. Alright, time for me to get up. Pigeons. Pigeons, that's it. That's all I got. Time to go to the store. Get more pigeon food. That's it. Last pigeon food on earth right there. Alright. These pigeons are going to move in like a pack of zombies here. All herding in because I'm 18 inches away further. God forbid I move. Let's try this again. You ain't gotta scatter. Little minnows. Come on back now, you hear? Good old Texas barbecue. Alright guys, we're at 5 minutes now. Give the people what they want. Just eat the dang food. Beak to beak. This guy knows what's up now. Yeah, you. If you want to dance, you can. Just thinking about it. Alright guys, I'm gonna move out the way and see what happens. If I can stand up slowly. Don't want to scare the pigeons. Oh, I did it just slow enough. I'm gonna back away from the food. Back away slowly. Alright pigeons, what's gonna happen here? I'm gonna go inside now. The excitement is over. You guys left 4 minutes ago anyway. If not, I appreciate you. And have a great day. Bye.